I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you. And please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, the key word is, as it very often is the preposition which is after the gap. If we have a look at the answers in terms of that preposition, we can be involved with something, yes. We can identify with something, yes. But we respond to and we relate to, so it can't be C or D. Now, we've got to have a look at the context. The context tells us that it's some form of connection being established. So which one of the answers, A or B, refers to or a connection of some kind? Well, the answer is B. To identify with something somehow means that you can connect to that thing. For question number 2, the key word here is a preposition, but it's a preposition that we can see a few words after the gap. There's only one answer out of the 4 answers that we've got that can work with as, and that is A, regard. For question number 3, another preposition question. If we have a look after the gap, we can see with. Which of the answers collocates with with? Well, you allow someone to do something, so it's not A. You enable someone to do something, so both of those follow an infinitive form, and it doesn't work with. C, you provide somebody with something. That looks as if it fits the pattern. You offer someone with something. No, of course, doesn't make any sense. The answer is C. For question number 4, the important thing here is the context, and that is people really want to do something. It's not that important, it's really important for those people, which means that the answer has got to reflect that as well. And of course, one of those answers does, and that is D, determined. For question number 5, the answer that we've got to choose here has got to collocate with workforce in terms of being able to move around and not being fixed in one location. The only one answer that communicates that message is A, mobile. Workforces can be mobile. For question number 6, once again, the most important thing is the preposition, but this time the preposition is before the gap, and that is in. Which one of these answers can work with in? The answer is C, sense, in the same sense. For question number 7, we have to take both the previous sentence and this sentence into account, because one thing that's really helpful here is the comma straight after the gap. That tells you that this word is a linker of some kind. It links or it transitions the previous sentence across to this sentence. The question is, we've got to understand what that linker is trying to do. And this linker is trying to reinforce an idea, to make an idea stronger. Well, one of these answers is a transition or a linker or a discourse marker which fits this particular pattern and also reinforces an idea, and that is D, indeed. For question number 8, not just one preposition to be aware of, but 2. We've got to take into account both as before the gap and to after the gap. And if we do that, there is only one answer, and that answer is A, as opposed to something.